So here we are in the Tree Gallery in Orem, Utah. And the folks here are so nice, and they have allowed us to exhibit some of our things here in the gallery. So this is one that we have here, and I would like to show you a few more, plus to see some of the beautiful work that is in the gallery. So be sure to come by and visit the gallery and also some of its work. We have more of our windows up front, so they're beautiful when the light is shining through. And I don't know if you can see the one, maybe we need to go outside.
Here,
I'll go out. So this one's called Mothering. This is called No Regrets. This is one of our shell wises. And this is Aurora of the Morning. So, it's the Tree Art Gallery. So here we go, coming back in where David is hanging a few more pieces. And these are going to go way up there.
Okay, so was this the one that we were going to put on this side?
Yes. And this one is our piece called, okay, if you could turn it around and show me just for a sec. When one baby cries, 5 mamas come running.
I like that one. Pretty nice piece.
So, I'll be back in a moment. First, I have to help David.
All right. Okay.
So on March 15th, we're going to have a class, a star class, here at the Tree Gallery. And we would love to have you come and be a part of it. It will be a 2-hour class. It's $35. And it will be so much fun. And if you can't make it to that one, there will be other classes in the future. We're going to try to do this once a month at the Tree Gallery. So please contact me or someone at the Tree Gallery, direct message or whatever you need to do. And so I would love to have you. And welcome to Wisdom Wednesday. So, and you can click on the little square that will take you to our website. So be sure to follow for all the new things that are coming up at Gomm Stained Glass.